Okay, so just let me show you. So the precipitation reaction, right? So we've got two aqueous solutions. This is lead nitrate, okay, PbNO3 with a bracket 2, and it is a clear aqueous solution. Then I've got potassium iodide, okay, again it is a clear aqueous solution. Okay, and back in the Middle Ages, so like people would have claimed in the Middle Ages, they would have claimed that that's magic, and I've made like some weird substance that's now got a color change. But that's just a chemical reaction, and what has happened is that there is the formation of a solid that is now in suspension. So all of the solid particles are suspended in an aqueous solution, right? So that is precipitation, and that is your classic precipitation reaction, because obviously it's got the bright yellow color and you can see the product, so it's very obvious, right? Right, so we've just had a little bit of a wait now, and I've left the test tube to settle there, and you can see that in the bottom of the test tube now there is a solid precipitate that you can see that gravity is pulling down and is now sitting at the bottom of the test tube. If I leave that for long enough, it will the liquid will eventually be clear, and all of the solid will go to the bottom. You can see there, in fact, on the side of the test tube there, you can see that the solid is stuck to the side of the test tube, and the test tube being leaned up at an angle. So that is the solid precipitate. So you've got lots of evidence of a chemical reaction happening. You've got a color change, you've got a change of state, and in that reaction you have lead nitrate reacting with potassium iodide. Then the yellow solid precipitate is lead iodide, and then what will eventually be a clear see-through solution is going to be potassium nitrate. So those are your products there, and that is the classical precipitation reaction with the bright, beautiful change of color. Okay, so it's the end of the school day now. This thing's been standing for a little while, and now you can see, actually let me hold it against the white background. Now you can see there is a yellow solid in the bottom, and some of it is floating around, but the solution is clear. So that is potassium nitrate in aqueous solution, and the bright yellow powder is lead iodide, the solid precipitate. So there you go, precipitation reaction.